Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hex from the game Friday Night Funkin'. Alright, so before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. Okay, so to start drawing hex, I'm going to work with the head first. So I'm going to start towards the top of my page, and hex is a pretty tall character, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to start up here and draw a square. So start with this line here and then come across and then across this way too and down. Now I'm going to do a line here and we're going to do a line right here. Now we're going to surround this first box we made, and it's going to be surrounded by a thin square. Like that. And now I'm going to do a line slanting upward, like that. And same right here, and it's going to be about the same length. And then I'm going to draw a straight line coming up and meeting this line here. Now we can do a line slanting upward right here. And now we can do a straight line from right here all the way to this point. So now let's do the antennas, like the little TV antennas. So let's do a slanting line going up that way. And now we can go on over and go on up and over again and down. And right here, we're going to come on up and down and up and down again and inward a bit. So it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's just what I did. All right, so next let's do a smile. It's going to be kind of like a jelly bean shape, like that. And we can do some lines right here, almost like a nice big grin, nice shiny teeth. Okay, now a circle here for an eye and another one. All right, so that's the head. Next, let's do a curve right here. And I'm going to do just a little line right here. And kind of like a backwards C right here. Now we can come on down and curve. And now right here, we're going to come on down and we're meeting up with this line. So this is going to be the shirt. So Hex has the number 16 on his shirt. So we're going to slant up, come on down, a little line right here, slant up again, and come on down, and then go over. So there's our 1. Now let's do that 6. So big curve, keep on curving, and come on up, and then a little straight line here, and a little circle. Okay, now let's do the shorts. So we're gonna come on down, and see how they're like a little bit wrinkly. They're not like perfectly straight. This helps to give the fabric like a look of a little bit more flow. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, then it looks really, really stiff. So we're going across here and coming on up, and then bring a line down here, make it a little wrinkly looking, and come across this way. And see, I didn't go perfectly straight, I curved it a bit. So now I'm going to do 2 little lines right here, do a circle. This is like where the knee would be, and then another line and another one, and then I'm going to curve and then come along with a little straight line here and slant down on both sides and straight line down, another straight line down, and then straight line across this way. I'm going to do a little straight line across this way too. So now we got 1 foot done. Now we're going to do pretty much the same thing here for the other leg. Go down a bit, another little circle, bring down these lines and curve right here, and a little straight line, come down again and again, and to the side, come over a little bit and down, a little straight line and a little straight one here too. All right, so now let's do a circle up here to start the arm, and we can do one over on this side as well. And we can bring 2 lines down and do another circle. This is where the elbow would be. And I'm going to bring another line down and another one and another circle, like where the wrist would be. And then we can do kind of like a U shape. And sorry, I mean an upside down U shape. And then a line and another line and another upside down U. Okay. Now over here, let's bring down another line and another one. And then another circle for that elbow. And then we're going to come on up. And another one coming up. Another circle. Now we're going to do a square right here and another one. Right here we're going to have a little slanted line, and right here too. And then we can do a circle. And we're going to bring down kind of a curved line. It's not perfectly straight. It's going to be a microphone. Another little curved one. And another one. You see how I'm just kind of taking the shape of this circle. And then we're going to go this way, and right there. All right, so we're finished our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, so we were finished drawing Hex. Thank you very much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really, really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. Okay, folks, have a really good day. Goodbye.